Good morning and welcome to Vlogmas day 7. And we have got frost. It's a beautiful, gorgeous, clear sky. The sun is out. Some of the rooftops are now melting when they're in the direct sunlight, so that's pretty. We've got to head into town to go to the bank. I've got some money to pay in. I've just put the order in for some fuel. I have, haven't I? So yes, so done that. So yeah, the other half, my darling site is driving me into Crewe so I can go to the bank. Dog's following me. She can't come. You can't come, Daddy. No. So yes, and I've got what feels like majority of yesterday's jobs that I didn't get done. They're getting done today or tomorrow. He's still not feeling much better. He's still very achy. Still very bleh. So yes, get that done, and we might start putting up some more decorations. I just need to check with my daughter as to how much she wants to get involved. But I need to buy some more Maltesers because somebody ate them, not me. Not Si. House guest on the weekend. Okay, so animals got me up quite early. Well, they got Si up first and then they woke me up. So, yes. And then the cat was trying to tell me that she hadn't had a breakfast at 3:30, whereas she had. So, she was lying. Right, see you in a bit. Okay, so I'm in the shopping centre, going through here into going to the bank to put this money in. So I've been trying to avoid this for as long as we can. It's a shame there's no Christmassy music on in here though. So how much have you guys got left to do for your Christmas shopping and whatnot? So I've still got those presents to buy. I've bought some bits this morning. So typical, somebody's reversing. Lots of noise. It's cold. It's cold, 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 cold. Right. So, going in here. Is there a big long queue? Not really. Okay. Right, I'm back in the car now. Bank wasn't too busy, so that's not too bad. And I've learned that I can't use my wallet, my card on my wallet to pay money in. I would have needed the actual card, but because I have the app, that was okay. So yeah, that was a learning activity. Just by the retail park. Although we're not going, it'll be heaving on there. So we're on our way back home now. So not too bad. It's still quite busy though in town. So even for Wednesday. I think people must be taking days off to do their Christmas shopping. Although there's not that many shops now in Crewe. They're all charity shops, or shops where they can get their stuff on the Never Never, and e-cigs. Lots of shops for that. Oh, there was a very, very nice Yankee Candle shop. That's only it really. None of the shops that used to be there are there anymore. So jobs that I've got for today. Okay, so where am I supposed to be today? I'm supposed to be having a massage. So although it kept reminding me yesterday, it hasn't reminded me today. So I'm here now, going to see the lovely, lovely Dawn for a massage. So hopefully she's not going to be too cross with me. So it smells gorgeous in here. So it should be all right.
I'm both in the double decker.
Oh, honestly, that's the life, isn't it? I'm going to introduce you in a minute once she's...
This is what happens when you're a skin therapist.
Yes, you have to eat on the go.
Basically, you need to down your dinner before your next client.
Hello, darling.
Hello, welcome.
This is Dawn. Dawn is going to be treating me today. And what is it am I having done?
Are you having a touch therapy massage?
Because I injured myself at work, and so I had one a few weeks ago, and then I wanted to let it settle down a bit more. So I'm back, and yes, okay.
We are going to sort her neck out, basically.
My neck and my arms.
So
I'm getting there.
We're going to do a nice face, neck, shoulder, scalp massage to release the fascia and release all the tension within your shoulders. Yay! She's going to have a nice cup of tea now.
So I'm back, and I just thought I would finish off today's vlogging. So it's been quite a productive day, what with going for a massage and moving furniture around and doing the 2 episodes for reading my book. Done a lot of shopping on Amazon. Probably too much, but you know, hey. And yeah, it feels like it's been quite a busy day. So enjoy the rest of your Wednesday, and I will be here probably around the same time tomorrow night. Don't forget, please subscribe. I've gone on a mission, and I want to try and reach 50 subscribers by the end of the year. That is my goal. I'm at 28 now. So please, if you're not already subscribed, click the subscribe button, and the notification bell will let you know when I post a video. And give this video a thumbs up, and drop me a comment in the comments below. And I look forward to seeing you all again tomorrow. Thank you.